Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall a shifter knob boot assembly in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So I'm going to shift this into reverse so that I can grab under here with my fingers, pull up a little bit, and grab my trim tool, go in here, try to pop this out. There we go. Pop this part out. Now I can pull it out of reverse. Now I'm going to use two hands and pull up. With a lot of effort, and the whole thing will come up. I'll take the shifter knob and the boot, slide the boot over. Make sure you have the shifter numbers in the right direction. And I will use some force and push this down. Make sure it locks in place. Then we'll lock this trim down. Just line it up. And lock it down in place. It doesn't matter. Yep. It's on there good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.